Hello, Danny Brown here from MarineMax in Palm Beach. Here today looking at a new arrival, a 2024 Cruisers 38 GLS. As you can see, it has a beautiful color combination. You have the Kingston grey hull combined with the white and grey interior. Come inside and take a look. As you can see, this is powered with a triple white 400 V10 Mercury Verados. I'm standing here on the expansive swim platform. You can see this grey ultra leather interior combined with the grey sea deck, and we also have this in beach mode at the moment with the platform folded down. Come and take a look inside the cockpit. This cockpit is loaded with features. As you can see, wraparound seating, 2 tables. We have an electric sunshade here which retracts all the way out to the transom. Also have a sunroof, opening sunroof here. You have an electric grill as well as a refrigerator, sink and bar area, and what really steals the show for me is 2 bar stools here where you can come and hang out. You also have a TV that attaches here. You can sit here and watch the game, and when you're running you also have backrests here so you can sit forward while you're running. Here at the helm areas you can see nice acrylic black dash with 2 12-inch Simrad displays. You have your trim tabs here, your Mercury binnacles, joystick control, very handy cup holder and wireless charging. Your field of vision here is fantastic whether you're sitting or standing. As you see, port side walkthrough to the bow here, nice high gunnels, makes you feel really safe. Plenty of seating up here. You've got enough for 6 people with a table. Controls for the stereo. Very nice place to hang out. As you can see here inside the cabin, we have a V-berth dinette. This will convert into a sleeping area with filler cushions in here. You also have a separate head, and the mid-berth is your main sleeping area. We also have a microwave, refrigerator, and TV. Again, my name is Danny Brown from MarineMax in Palm Beach. If you'd like to see this vessel, it's located in Palm Beach Gardens. Feel free to give me a call, 561-800-4339. Thank you.